Okay, this is again review 5-2, numbers 7 through 9 though. We're going to use these two functions, the f of x and the g of x, for all three of these, and these are just adding or subtracting them. So for the plus or minus, we're going to take, so for f plus g of x, it's going to equal negative x squared minus 8x plus 8 plus 5x minus x squared. Combine all your terms, you get f plus g of x equals, well, I got negative x squared minus x squared, that's negative 2x squared. Negative 8 plus 5, that's negative 3x plus 8. And so that's your function, which part of the test is getting that function. Part of the test is solving for the unknown. So we're going to solve for x equals 1. They tell us right here, solve for x equals 1. So f plus g evaluated at 1 equals negative 2 times 1 squared, which is just 1, minus 3 times 1 plus 8. So that's negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5 plus 8 is 3. And that's your solution. Okay. Number 8, same idea, except we are subtracting this time. That's what it says to do. So here we're going to go. F minus g of x equals negative x squared minus 8x plus 8 minus the quantity 5x minus x squared. So f minus g of x equals negative x squared minus 8x plus 8 minus 5x plus x squared. All right, combine your terms. We just started off by flipping the signs on the right. The x squareds cancel out, so those go away. Negative 8 minus 5 is negative 13x plus 8. So that would be the function f minus g. And then last but not least, they tell you to evaluate at x equals 2. So here we go. F minus g of x equals negative 13 times 2 plus 8. Well, negative 13 times 2 is negative 26. Plus 8 would be negative 18. So yeah, negative 18. That would be your answer. Last but not least, number 9. Number 9 just flips around and says, hey, what's g minus f? If I did f minus g, what's g minus f? So again, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to switch it around. So g function minus the f function of x equals, the g is 5x minus x squared, and then we're going to subtract negative x squared minus 8x plus 8, distributed that negative, g minus f of x equals 5x minus x squared, that's a 5, plus x squared plus 8x minus 8, and we get g minus f of x equals, again, the x squareds cancel out. This time we get positive 13x, but we get a negative 8. And evaluate at 3. Okay, so g minus f of x, g minus f actually of 3 equals 13 times 3 minus 8. 13 times 3 is 39, minus 8 would be 31. And there you go.